Where are those people talking about insecurity in Ghana, insecurity in Ghana, insecurity in Ghana? Ghana is not safe for people coming for Dirty December. All right. I'm here with an exciting news. But before we get right into the news, guys, I would love to apologize for the background noise. I'm so sorry, okay? This has been going on for the past 3 days in my house, and the fact that I'm not feeling well is contributing to my headache and all that. So guys, on this video, I'm here to show you that Ghanaian armed forces are ready for especially those people that are coming with bad vibes into Ghana this dirty December.
We are not enemies, neither are we competitors nor rivals. We are partners with a common purpose. This morning, we have assembled here to conduct a show of force patrol. The aim of this patrol is not to intimidate or harass or inconvenience our compatriots, but to demonstrate our capacity and cooperation in the exercise of our mandate. As we have already been grouped into the various teams, we'll be dominating 5 axes on entering Accra, the major routes. So each team is to go on these axes, patrol and return. We have Team Alpha. You'll be heading towards the Kaswa Road and then you turn at Bujumbura. Team Bravo will be heading towards Ebri and we expect that you turn there and come. Team Charlie will be heading towards Kuntunsi on the Insawam Road. Team Delta will be heading towards Aflau Road, you turn at Buena. Team Echo will be heading towards the Akosongo Road and you turn at Afina. Details of the routes have been issued to the various convoy commanders, and they have confirmed that they have briefed you. Speed limit 40 kilometers per hour. Order of move for each convoy. We have Ghana Armed Forces leading, Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana Prison Service, Customs Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority, Ghana Fire Service, and Ghana Police.